busuafo na ye checha ahwefo etifo adofo enyina na ye mo bibiara kwa aba ede eba Attention TV so your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebusuafo so we are new to the channel na sa wonya subscribe ya ahobrase kwan so bon homo de na subscribe de kama emfa ema wo subscription nche wo bon sa adoma bi e wo de broni e fe na bell notification icon yi bi bon fon support so se ne be ye nya de video fofo nya betudu abo benya nkai bo no na wo so aba ye channel no so na ba behwe bi ama wo so mu ne eko ene ne eba e wo man Ghana mu ene ama hodo so ebusuafo na ye si from na ya share ensem na se na ye di amambu de na le tense asembi ababeto yapo no so mo rem eye papa na ebusuafo ebre asemi ebeto yapo no so eno ananam so ma Attention TV soma ye ensem trofo se monko na monko ye asem no mu hwehwem na momfa emu no krokroje no na momfa mbre na yenso yemfa mbesom ya ahwefo ne etifo ne adofo enyina na ne yetense abranti bi abono homoden e de ono ankasa ne maame ni mpo ne maame a ochem na ewo no ode na kwakoji sikedru na ebusuafo ebre a ode ne maame koji sikedru no ade na apaska ankoyi am enei abranti na so a hyehyehye nya asem keto a ne busuafo ebra men se obre yenko ne nkoji asem yi mu nkyiremu ye ba ye de ne aka nyina ebeto awoso
ekuokito bi efe na abokupe a whereby a fraud guy ekuni mami to cash out. I have been saying it, say fraud boy, Sacr boy, pen pal, game boy, they are all on the same scale. A lot of them will come under the comment section and will be like, oh boy, we know the meaning of fraud. I know the meaning of fraud. But that fraud now will come once. Is that the same fraud you are doing? Is it the same fraud? Munina, you are on the same scale unless you are not cashing out big. Maybe I would 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, and they understandable when it kind of there. But anybody who is cashing out big is doing so with what? Spirituality. Let me go to the story. Abranti bi a fraud guy. Sa ebia me boy. Na the friends cash it out. They are living big. But then he alone no. Anytime be on a client be chatting no. Onyashi. So one day he consulted these guys and then was like, actually, I didn't know me yibia anything. Me ember and I say. And the guys were like, okay, we are going to recommend somebody to you now. You go see the person. So they did. Now Brian T. A choir spiritualist. To acquire or can ask a no so obebuano. Nemum no. Unless he guy no a year human sacrifice. No say human sacrifice until one or the beba. And now confuse and one catch and say unless all the neba Eden eba ono so oba baako nti abranti ti ase so okay odne ba ne be den ebe ye ti konfon ko mu eno hu se ono abranti enhwe akwala no nti se odne ya enye ye. So the other option that came was that ne maami eno so odne ye boy ne ti ase se mfa maami ne nye di nsini no ekom no ohun se maami no wo 7 laser goals a ebo ne ho ban e wo fie ho nti na odi ya enye ye nti or catch abranti say you should go back home, interrogate the mother, get to know some of the things abosum no empe omachiwa de na onye fentia na maame no abosum ne den embrace ansa no metumi aye de ombe no. This guy went back home, did same. The mother, unknowingly, the mother never thinking said that the son was going to use this against him, you know. Or can be beer the channel. Oh, I'm gonna pay away. I mean, you say, no, Tina. And on our branch, yes, I didn't tear. Abosomono. So the ghost became so angry at the mother and then they turned their back. So I'll call back to comfort her and I'll catch and say be okay. And then the omuya diwe and then the omkuma mena soon. So omkuni we no na kase be manifest life. And then Guy na twen also sika na yede emba. And here is a case that Mamina started yari. Or yari. I like ebusiafo they go hospital, or more lab test, they are doing scans and all that, and the doctors are saying she is not sick, she's okay. To winner, yes no, they will go in. No matter what no matter be draw. So they went, and the revelation came that the son is aware of what is going on with the mother. So they should ask him. They pick the phone, call the guy, say, you buy no. You see, you are aware, you are the cause of your mother's problem. Truly, the guy confessed to the crime. And then Omu Bisani say, so Sikano Abba or see there be scanning by it. Or chatting kofona Sikanemba. Edidim just recently, about 4 days ago, and the mother died. Sikano swa amba. Wa kumame. You cannot return home because they've threatened to deal with you when you come back.
Vimbas.
So me catch that me say fraud boys no. We are buying no tsunami date bia. Then they will come and then the comment section will be like, hey, bakwa jene girl, bakwa most of them so poor mo charge me girl. I'm nobody, but you can't take my woman. So as a guy, oba, you should also know the kind of woman you want. And your bar on a number one can't be say Mrs. Here now could actually I know be yes come on, I know hair no kono. Your own kwasia for my view home. Sorry for my language. Oh, they are like that. No matter how anything. Obid manisika chan say pe abeko. There are some people too are our money that for man. No matter what, even somebody like you, a fraud boy, you are a turn off for them. You are a turn off. If you're not a turn off, when you are going, be bold enough and tell the lady, say, oh, I'm into frauding. I'm frauding people. Next say oba no no be date ya. Agi oba no this sketchy. Ono na be di wachi. Na nyansani bia oba o nyansani endi wachi. Nti mo ba church na you say chairman ya gine girl say chairman asia ya gine girl. My ladies, wise up with these guys, you know. Me say they are dangerous. They are your God. They are your Satan. They are dangerous. They can strike anytime. They can strike at any time. Me say omusuma enonya demand be say cream. Na beto also say cream. And now you be stand say ono anfo ba konfamra. Wo na ye ne girlfriend no. Odu betwa so. We discan be. Nti wo be ko. Na wo so what provide this can dia ba. Na no so dia den. E dia ayi obi fufuro. Ada titina abrofo no mu dupu omo rough no. You think they are still slaves to that ana? You think they are not learning like omunim de ekoso ana? Before I bet me dada bruni bi no unless say oh ye nyoma bia ansana what me dada no send this huge amount of money in the amount. Aduma be na o ye ba no oti no or send this kind of amount. And you are saying say would any kind of here. It's a lie. It's a lie. Na me ye kran say me ya de hear me jakran say mo from obusuanfo nye na obi ma ba na ono innocent no wakofa no now what na kwakoye obusuanfo no mo ye den e ma ni bi nim e bi wom mo for mo nye at the end of the day eba you are eating with them. My dear ladies, mo money nda ho omo ba mo catch you say na ye dey I don't do human sacrifice. When he is doing the human sacrifice you are not there. Onye ma unhu bi onye ma unhu bi opie ko baabi a unka ho na moko nye baabi a na woko bi nti obetwa ntrachero and we don't do human sacrifice. It's a lie. Unless, and I repeat, unless the person is cashing out 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 150, 200 cedis. No more cash 100 million, 200, 500 million, 1 billion, 100 and money in the whole crap. They are all doing certain things. So when kuni pempu, that's how okoye nyankomade, okoye a friend saying, akwanchira, nina spirituality. You are doing it. And gradually it will get there whereby you will be asked to bring human for sacrifice before you cash out big. Make and why it's so desperate. It's kind of what demanding is soon. So why desperate you want to get the money. So you don't care about whoever you are going to use to get the money. All you think is the money. And when I know I start now your budget, oh, about me, big boy living. We know. We have been dealing with fraud boys. I know. Nti ya munjai some be na comment section when I'm over church nonsense no. Mrs. Yana otwra. I wouldn't want to reply because me mention come have me. Me reply okra. Me reply na TikTok here free ho. No here free. No. The best na ma block you. The best na me read comment. Me see so na ma block you. Simple.
Ebusia for sa pepepe ana etie. Aha ana mede ensem nyina ebesi ede amomia mede ensem ebra mede ara energy connect makram.